So today I have got a Diwali gift from my father. So let's see what is there inside. I'm not sure. So let's go. A smartwatch. You really bought me a smartwatch. I always wanted it.
Yes, happy Diwali.
Thank you so much.
So guys, have a look at this. This is the Boat Xtend and it's got built-in Alexa. This is how the front box looks. This is the side box. As you can see, this is the back. You can see all the information about it. And that's some information this side. Nothing down much. So guys, have a look at this. So why don't you unbox this now and show the viewers what you got inside it.
Wow, it looks so good.
Okay guys, this is the first thing is the watch, which we'll keep it aside. Why don't you remove the watch outside first. So inside the box you get a charger. That's the magnetic charger. Why don't you just open that and show it. So this is the USB to the magnetic charger right over here. And what's else in the box? Oh yeah, you get Kiara Advani's phone number. Sorry, can't share that. Something to do with Alexa. And you got something else which says boat. The next thing is the manual. Bit of information. Nothing much. And the box is all empty. So why don't you take this watch out and show how it really looks. Wow, the watch looks pretty sexy. And there's a sticker on it which says Boat Xtend. And why don't you open the straps.
Can't believe it, you bought me.
So guys, this is the first impression. I'm not going to set this up right now, just an unboxing. Basically, she got a gift. So as you can see, the strap material looks phenomenal. I think the quality of the watch is really good. So you can see all the sensors in this. And this is how you remove it. And look at the screen here. You can stick this on your head. And guys, this is the watch. Well, that looks pretty sexy. This is the rose gold pink color. Actually, it looks totally feminine. So guys, I'm not going to set this up right now, just an unboxing. Well, my first impressions are it's amazing. You want to say something else?
Thank you so much. I loved it. I can't believe it. So guys, please like, share and subscribe. Sayonara.